Imagine typing a simple text prompt and watching a complete studio-quality song, complete with lyrics, vocals, and even a music video, come to life in seconds. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are looking at Soundverse.ai, an incredibly powerful AI music studio that is changing how we create music. Whether you're a content creator, a hobbyist, or an aspiring musician, Soundverse lets you generate music, video, and voice, all from text prompts. Best of all, it's free to start with 1,000 tokens, so you can try it out yourself without spending a dime. So how does it actually work? At the heart of Soundverse is Soundverse Agent 1, which they call your reasoning AI music producer. Instead of just giving you a random audio track, Agent 1 helps guide your creative process. You can generate songs from simple text prompts, but it goes way deeper than that. Inside the platform, you have access to artist DNAs, which allow you to license specific sounds or even train your own voice. There's also an AI lyrics generator, an AI voice cloning tool, and an AI singing generator. If you want to customize your tracks, they have a built-in multi-track editor, an AI remix maker, and Splitter AI, which is an advanced stem separation tool that lets you easily isolate vocals, beats, or instruments from any audio file. They even have an AI album cover generator, making it a true all-in-one studio from start to finish. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the sheer volume of tools is unmatched. You get stem splitting, mastering, text-to-speech, and video generation all in one place. However, because Soundverse is part of a rapidly evolving wave of AI music tools, independent long-term user reviews are still quite limited. We don't have a massive pool of public reviews to pull from yet, so you'll want to experiment with those 1,000 free tokens to see if the generation style and vocal quality match your specific standards. Overall, if you want to turn your ideas into music without needing years of production experience, Soundverse.ai is absolutely worth exploring. Head over to their website, grab your free tokens, and start creating. What kind of song are you going to make first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.